Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now remember, Shibadoge is on the rise. Shibadoge cap is really increasing. Shibadoge for the first time gaining over $30 million market cap within the space of 3 weeks. It's amazing to see this coin continue to increase. Now Shibadoge deployer, you can see the particular address holding about $4,250,000 worth of Shibadoge coin for the period of 170 days. Wow. It's amazing to see with such amount of money someone is still holding Shibadoge coin for like about 5 months. Yes, that is I think 4 months, and I'm happy to see that Shibadoge have started gaining the support. Shibadoge have started getting that market cap it needs in order to stand, that market cap that will attract people to start investing, because nobody wants to invest where they are not sure that their money is safe. Now right now I think getting over $30 million in 3 weeks is amazing. Now a particular wallet is holding about $4,250,000 Shibadoge coin. It's amazing to see people really trust Shibadoge. It's amazing to see this coin have started gaining a little support and then trust from the community, and I believe that Shibadoge always see itself as the next Shiba Inu. Now imagine Shibadoge with about 16 zeros at the time of recording this, deleting between 5 zeros. So many people will miss out, but like I used to say, it's good to buy some coins, especially coins that have a better plan. But if you want to buy Shibadoge, of course you can do that on Bitmart, you can do that on Bitcoin, you can do that on IndoES, you can do that on Hotbit, you can do that on Uniswap V2 and Uniswap V3. But remember to invest what you can afford to lose, because that is the golden rule. This is crypto industry where anything can happen, and I believe that Shibadoge can delete some zeros if they continue to increase the way they are doing. If the developers could also focus on getting this coin listed by top exchanges, and most importantly, remember I quote, most importantly, if Shibadoge can start massive burning of Shibadoge. And how can they achieve this? I believe Shibadoge can start by burning at least half or 70% of the remaining supply. That is going to help Shibadoge out to really increase and gain a lot of confidence from community and other new holders. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.